PiNetwork aims to provide users with a new crypto called Pi, which its creators promise to offer all the advantages of Bitcoin, BTC, while avoiding its pitfalls. But it's still unreleased as of November 2024, more than 5 years after it was initially launched. It can't be sold on any exchange and does not yet exist on a live blockchain. It's mined by people signing into the Pi app from their phones and tapping a button. So, what is the Pi cryptocurrency and how does the PiNetwork work? Let's take a look and see what we can find out. Who uses PiNetwork? There are 4 types of users on the PiNetwork. These are Pioneer, regular users who mine Pi by tapping the mining button daily. There were more than 60 million Pioneers. As of November 2024, Contributor, users provide a list of trustworthy users to the network in exchange for an incentive, Ambassadors. People who bring new users to the network using their referral code, Nodes, participants using the Pi node software on their home computers. Mining rate and growth. When the PiNetwork initially launched, the mining rate was set at 1.6 Pi per hour. Over time, as the network's user base expanded, the mining rewards were systematically halved, 0.8 Pi/hour after reaching 100,000 users, 0.4 Pi/hour upon surpassing 1 million users. 0.2 Pi/hour after reaching 10 million users. The mining rewards are expected to continue declining as the network grows. Incentivizing early participation. The team has set a goal of achieving 1 billion users, at which point the mining phase may conclude. What is the value of Pi? The value of Pi is currently undetermined. It's an unlisted token that is practically worthless as of November 2024. As a result, there's no historical data on the PiNetwork's performance since the token has not yet been launched on any cryptocurrency exchange. PiNetwork's creators have yet to reveal the number of coins in circulation once the project is formally launched. However, the Origina white paper says that the total Pi supply will be 100 billion. The PiNetwork underwent several milestones in its first 4 years. In September 2022, the PiNetwork announced the launch of PiConnect. PiConnect aims to allow PiNetwork users to make interoperable trades with other blockchain networks like Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Ethereum, ETH, Polygon, Matic, and others quickly, affordably, and securely. In addition to bridging with blockchain, PiConnect aims to provide farming and staking, a launchpad platform, lending, auctions, and a marketplace, among other things. Launch of PiBridge. In September 2022, the PiNetwork announced PiBridge, which seeks to provide a bridge between the PiNetwork and other blockchains. Beginning with the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. PiBridge, according to the development team, is a trustless gateway that removes the gap between the PiNetwork and other blockchains, making Pi available and reachable to the public and providing Pi users with a new permissionless and transparent financial instrument. PiBridge will enable data to move across networks and Pi holders to transit between them freely. This is also an opportunity for Pi holders to capitalize on the asset's worth. When will PiCoin launch? PiCoin will launch at the same time as the PiNetwork public mainnet, called the Open Network, and it'll be listed on cryptocurrency exchanges and trading platforms. Open Network was originally planned to launch in 2022, but was delayed. A 2023 release date was also suggested, which also didn't materialize. The PiNetwork team stipulated in December 2023 that certain conditions must be met before Open Network and PiCoin can launch, such as 15 million users to pass Know Your Customer (KYC) verification, 10 million users migrated to the PiNetwork mainnet, 100 real Pi apps available or ready for deployment on the mainnet. The last requirement set for the PiCoin launch is the absence of an unfavorable external environment, which would hinder the success of Open Network. PiNetwork issued a press release in June 2024 reporting that over 12 million users had completed identity verification through its native KYC solution, with 5.79 million migrated to the closed mainnet. However, as of November 2024, PiNetwork hasn't announced a release date for Open Network. PiCoin price prediction. As of late 2024, the PiCoin price predictions are mixed. On November 27, 2024, Techopedia anticipated slow growth with a 80-cents Pi coin price for 2025 that steadily rises to $1.05 in 2030. It notes that PiNetwork will undoubtedly experience mass sell pressure throughout 2024 due to the anticipated unlock of billions of Pi coin tokens, and suggests selling pressure may only be offset by one of two events. There is an equal or greater demand for Pi to match the sell pressure. The token unlock is gradual, taking place over years rather than in a single day. Benzinga observed analysts' Pi coin price predictions for the coming years on November 27, 2024, which ranged from $0.0849 to as high as $5 by 2030. The digital coin price forecast on November 27, 2024 provided a bullish long-term outlook. It predicted a $134 Pi coin price for 2025, which rises to $194 in 2026 and above $240 in 2027. They expect the price to average at $577 by 2030, which might increase to $1,076 in 2033. Meanwhile, Changelly predicted on November 27, 2024 that the Pi price could rise above $5 for 2026 and continue increasing in 2027. While it provides no forecast for 2025, Changelly claims that PiNetwork might even exceed the average price we've seen it hit before the mainnet launch by 2030. Such prices come from some crypto exchanges offering Pi coin IOUs for sale.